This is our 450 liter tote. Once you're ready to use the 450 liter tote, you have two options of pulling product out of the tote. One is from the bottom, which we're illustrating here. Normally this plastic cover would be rolled up like this, but for purposes of illustration, we're going to remove it so you can see better inside what the valve looks like. Back underneath the tote, you can see there is a valve here with a red handle. That needs to be turned to the open position before you can get product out of the tote. It is also a one-way valve. If you look inside closely, you will be able to see that there's a sign that says one-way valve, which means product will only come out through that valve. You won't be able to push product back into the tote through that valve. It will only come out. Each of the 450 liter totes comes with a Parker-Hannifin valve, which is attached to the tote. This is the top of our 450 liter tote. On the top of the tote, there's a dip tube, which goes to the bottom and gives you two options of pulling product out of a 450 from this fitting here on the top, or as previously shown, through the bottom fitting. There's also a vent cap here. This can be removed completely or just removed partially, and air would be pulled through the vent cap and allow air to enter the tote so it can empty completely. If you're using a micromatic fitting in the top, they are vented, so it will allow air to enter in the tote and you wouldn't need to open up the vent, but it is there in case you need it. Another purpose for this vent tube is if you get a product called Vibrance Max RTA, it consists of two components, Apron Max, which is in the tote, and then the Vibrance 500 FS, which is packaged separately. You would need to remove this vent in order to add the Vibrance 500 FS. The easiest way to do that would be to get a large pair of pliers, open this vent, remove the vent cap completely, and then you can add the Vibrance 500 FS into the tote, replace the vent cap, and then recirculate as normal.